Hi, I want to quickly show you a method I use for preparing the edge of a board nice and square to the surface. This can be ideal when gluing up boards to make panels. You want them to be nice and flat when they're glued up and have a nice tight joint line. So the setup's really quite simple. I've got a piece of 18mm MDF. It's clamped between bench dogs at the front of a bench. I've got a long F clamp holding it down onto the bench so it stays nice and tight at the front edge. And I've got a couple of light clamps on the MDF which will just act as a fence to stop the board we're preparing from coming off. Keeps it nice and tight, and that also runs up against the one bench dog. Now I'll set these clamps so that the edge of the board we're working on is about 1/4 of an inch, 1/8 of an inch to 1/4 of an inch hanging over the edge. That board slots in there nice and firm, it's not going anywhere. Pick the best way to actually plane that edge. Mark the whole edge with some pencil so we know where we've planed. Make sure the bench is clean. Then get yourself a plane. I'm going with number 6. The number 5 is perfectly fine. You could even get away with a number 4 as well. The longer the material preparing, the bigger the plane, the longer the plane. Just makes things a little bit easier. You've got more momentum to work with. Now you need to set the blade up so that it's going to be cutting at right angles to the MDF. That doesn't necessarily mean it needs to be parallel in the plane, and we'll soon find out. So we'll set it up first of all with it parallel in the plane. We'll shoot a couple of shavings along the edge, check that with a square, and then we can soon see if we need to make any adjustment at all on the iron. Make any adjustment with the lateral adjuster just to tilt the iron until it's nice and upright compared to the MDF. And you can see it's not cutting the whole way because the edge of the board still needs some more prep. Keep taking a few more strokes. You may need to just adjust how much overlap you've got. You want the plane to be registering against the board you're cutting, not against the MDF at this stage. And eventually you'll be cutting the full width of the board. See, I've just got a little bit of pencil just on this point here and a little bit at that end. And you can see I'm actually pulling the plane, and that makes it really quite easy. So I'm pushing down on the bench, I'm pulling against the workpiece right the way through. Got lots of power doing it this way. Don't get caught up. Make sure you don't get shavings under the plane as well. And when you're taking full width shavings on the whole board, you know you've prepared it. Just double check it's nice and square, which it is. Turn it round, keeping the same registering face at the bottom, and do the other edge. And then if you do the mating boards the same way, you should find they go together perfectly. If you're having problems getting it entirely square, you can plane one side of one board up the right way and then flip the next board upside down, and that way you get the same effect as doing a butterfly planing. And you'll find another video of that in my channel somewhere, because if you plane two edges that have been butterflied together, they'll always come nice and flat as well. So that's just something for you to try. I think you'll find it really easy. I certainly do. It's also not particularly tiring, and you don't have to think about it too much either. perfect. If you want to create a spring joint, so having a sort of hairline gap in the middle of the boards before you clamp up, you can take stop shaving, so starting just in from one end and finishing just before you get to the other end. Do that a few times. Until the plane stops cutting basically. And then take a single shaving right the way through to get rid of any slight ridges where you've started and stopped.